Here, dito naman, polisiya. Oh, you see? The police here, oh. That is the police. National police. They are national police. And then, you see, I show you the pila. Yan, yan. Pero after 30 minutes from now, no, least people, least pila. You know why? They go to it. Especially the group time to eat 30 minutes from now. So the pila is, I want to go to buy ticket over there, oh, so that I have ticket ready for pila, oh. Yan, kunti na lang mamaya. Sa umaga alas 9. Naku, ang haba ng pila. Hindi mo, yun ang sabi ko, doon sa kabila, banda doon, Carabinieri. Dito naman, oh, tingnan nyo. Dito naman, mga pulis. National Police. Kasi, nagbabantay talaga sila dito. Ayan, oh. Sila. Ano, lumabas na? Ayan. Ano? Bibili ako ng ticket doon. Dito din. Pwede din bibili ng ticket dyan. Pero, tanong ko nga kung pwede bang bibili dyan. Pero, ang bilihan ay doon, oh. Ticket center. Doon pala. Ticket doon. Ticket. Doon mo. No, wala. Sabi na mag-ano daw dito banda. Ito, mga pulis, oh. Pulis. Yan ang pulis na sinabi ko. Yan na, pila. Bili mo na ako ng ticket. Alam ko kung magkano na ngayon. Nung nagpunta ako dito last, 3 euro. Only entering. But if you want to go upstairs, there, another price if you go upstairs. And then if you, very nice, you see, there is an elevator to go upstairs. If you want to walk by feet, you can, but you have to pay. I don't know how much now, It was 3 euro before, but you cannot see nothing. Only see the half of the cathedral. Just entrance only. That 3 euro. And then, if you want to see something inside, another price. You see, 3 euro only entrance. I don't know how much now, Here. Oh, this is basurero. basurero nila, oh. Ayun, basurero nila. Dito. Bili tayo. Ticket office, oh. Bilyeteria, ticket office. Let's see if there is a price. You see? Very nice. Cathedral of Milan. You see? Yan. People. There are many people.